guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Aina. Today is December 26. Kita niyo naman at medyo maaraw na. Ngayon ay guys, tayo ng aming bakuran dahil kita niyo naman sobrang kalat na naman. Ayan guys, nakatapos na ako sa pagwawalis ng aming bakuran. Update ko na lang kayo sa mga susunod kong video. That's all for today guys. If you like our video, don't forget to buy us a cup of Coke or coffee and see you next time. Bye!